Life without direction is like a ship lost at sea. Imagine being on a vessel, surrounded by the vast, unending ocean, with no land in sight. The waves crash against the hull and the storm clouds gather ominously overhead. You feel the uncertainty and fear of not knowing where you are headed, or if you will ever reach a safe harbor. This is what life feels like when you lack a clear purpose or direction. You are adrift, at the mercy of external forces, with no control over your destiny. It drifts aimlessly, tossed by the waves of uncertainty. Each wave represents a challenge, an obstacle, or a distraction that pulls you further away from your true path. Without a clear direction, you are vulnerable to the whims of fate, and your potential remains untapped. You may feel lost, overwhelmed, and unsure of your next steps, but it doesn't have to be this way. But with a clear vision, a destination in mind, you seize control of your journey. Picture that same ship, but now it has a compass, a map, and a clear destination. The storm may still rage, but the ship is no longer at the mercy of the waves. It cuts through the water with purpose and determination, heading towards the horizon with confidence. This is the power of having a clear vision and setting goals. It gives you direction, focus, and the ability to navigate through life's challenges with resilience and strength. You become the captain of your fate. With your hands firmly on the wheel, you steer your life towards your chosen destination. You make deliberate choices, take calculated risks, and stay committed to your path. You are no longer a passive passenger but an active participant in your own journey. This sense of control and empowerment is transformative. It allows you to harness your inner strength and unlock your true potential. This is the power of goal setting. Setting goals is like plotting a course on a map. It gives you a clear direction and a sense of purpose. It helps you prioritize your actions and stay focused on what truly matters. When you set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals, you create a roadmap for success. You break down your dreams into actionable steps, making them more attainable and less overwhelming. It transforms dreams into reality. Each goal you achieve is a milestone on your journey, a testament to your hard work, dedication, and perseverance. It builds your confidence and motivates you to keep pushing forward. As you accomplish one goal after another, you realize that your dreams are within reach. You start to believe in your ability to create the life you desire. It empowers you to design your ideal future. Think of your goals as the blueprint for your life. They allow you to envision your future and take proactive steps to shape it. You become the architect of your destiny, designing a life that aligns with your values, passions, and aspirations. This sense of agency and control is incredibly empowering. It gives you the confidence to dream big and the determination to turn those dreams into reality. Think of your goals as a beacon in the distance. They guide your decisions. They shape your actions. Just like a lighthouse guides ships safely to shore, your goals provide a sense of direction and purpose. They help you stay focused and motivated, even when the journey gets tough. They remind you of what you are working towards and why it matters. They keep you on track and prevent you from getting lost in the sea of distractions and challenges. They provide a roadmap to a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. When you have clear goals, you have a sense of direction and a plan to achieve your dreams. You know what steps to take and in what order. You can measure your progress and celebrate your achievements along the way. This sense of purpose and fulfillment is what makes life meaningful and rewarding. It gives you a reason to get up in the morning and a sense of satisfaction at the end of the day. When you set goals, you unlock your true potential. You tap into your inner strengths, talents, and abilities. You push yourself beyond your comfort zone and discover what you are truly capable of. You realize that you have the power to achieve great things and make a positive impact on the world. This sense of potential and possibility is incredibly motivating. It inspires you to keep striving for excellence and to never settle for mediocrity. You tap into a wellspring of energy and motivation that propels you forward. Setting goals ignites a fire within you. It gives you a sense of purpose and direction that fuels your passion and drive. You become more focused, determined, and resilient. You are willing to put in the hard work and effort required to achieve your dreams. This sense of motivation and energy is what keeps you going, even when the journey gets tough. Remember, you are capable of extraordinary things. You have within you the potential to achieve greatness. You have the power to create the life you desire and to make a positive impact on the world. All it takes is a clear vision, a set of goals, and the determination to see them through. believe in yourself and your abilities. Trust that you have what it takes to overcome any obstacle and to achieve your dreams. You have within you the power to achieve anything you set your mind to. The only limits are the ones you place on yourself. When you set goals and work towards them with determination and perseverance, you break free from the chains of self-doubt and fear. You realize that you are capable of achieving more than you ever thought possible. You unlock your true potential and create a life filled with purpose, fulfillment, and joy. The first step is believing in yourself. Believe that you have the power to create the life you desire. Believe that you are capable of achieving your dreams. Believe that you have the strength, resilience, and determination to overcome any obstacle. This belief in yourself is the foundation of your success. It gives you the confidence to set ambitious goals and the courage to pursue them with passion and determination. The next is setting goals that ignite your passion and inspire you to reach for the stars. Set goals that align with your values, passions, and aspirations. Set goals that challenge you and push you beyond your comfort zone. Set goals that inspire you to be the best version of yourself. When you set goals that ignite your passion, you tap into a wellspring of energy and motivation that propels you forward. You become unstoppable, driven by a sense of purpose and determination to achieve your dreams. So, unleash your potential, set your goals, and embark on the journey to create the life you desire. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let the world around you fade away. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment of tranquility. Imagine it's December 2026. Picture the world around you, the advancements, the changes, and the progress. Envision the life you are living. What does your ideal life look like? What have you accomplished? Think about the milestones you've reached, the dreams you've turned into reality, and the goals you've achieved. Who are you surrounded by? Consider the relationships that have flourished, the new connections you've made, and the loved ones who have been by your side. Take a moment to truly visualize your desired future. Let the details come to life in your mind. See the colors, hear the sounds, and feel the emotions. Let your imagination run wild. Don't hold back. Think about the possibilities, the opportunities, and the adventures that await you. Now open your eyes and write down everything you envision. Don't censor yourself. Let your thoughts flow freely onto the paper. This is your personal dream list. It's a reflection of your deepest desires and aspirations. It's a roadmap to your future. It could include anything from career advancements to personal growth, relationships to adventures. Think about the different aspects of your life and what you want to achieve in each area. Once you have a comprehensive list, it's time to prioritize. Look at each goal and consider its importance to you. What matters most to you? Which goals resonate with your core values and long-term vision? Which goals will bring you the greatest sense of fulfillment? Think about the impact each goal will have on your life and happiness. Choose 3 to 5 key areas of focus for 2026. These should be the goals that excite you the most and align with your vision for the future. These will become your guiding stars. They will light your path and keep you focused on what truly matters. Embrace your aspirations and let them guide you towards a fulfilling and successful 2026. Now that you have your goals clearly defined, it's time to create a roadmap for achieving them. Break each goal down into smaller, more manageable steps. These are your action items. For example, if your goal is to run a marathon, your action plan might include joining a running club, following a training schedule, and gradually increasing your mileage. Be specific and realistic with your timelines. Set deadlines for each milestone. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. By creating a detailed action plan, you transform your aspirations into concrete steps. You move from dreaming to doing, and that's where the magic happens. As you embark on your journey towards achieving your goals, it's essential to track your progress. This journey, whether personal or professional, is filled with numerous steps and stages. Keeping a detailed record of your progress can make a significant difference in how you perceive your achievements and setbacks. It allows you to see the bigger picture and understand the path you are on. By documenting your journey, you create a tangible record of your efforts, which can be incredibly motivating during challenging times. This not only helps you stay accountable but also provides a powerful source of motivation. Seeing your progress visually can be a great morale booster. It reminds you of how far you've come and the effort you've put in. Accountability is crucial, because it keeps you honest with yourself. When you know you have a record to look back on, you're more likely to stay committed to your goals. Plus, sharing your progress with others can create a support system that encourages you to keep going. Celebrate every victory, no matter how small. Each step forward is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Celebrating these moments, whether it's a minor achievement or a major milestone, reinforces positive behavior. It's important to acknowledge your efforts and reward yourself. This could be as simple as taking a moment to reflect on your success or treating yourself to something special. These celebrations keep you motivated and remind you that every bit of progress is worth recognizing. One effective way to track your progress is by setting milestones. Milestones act as checkpoints on your journey, helping you to break down your larger goals into more manageable parts. This makes the overall goal less daunting and more achievable. By setting clear, specific milestones, you can measure your progress in a structured way. This approach not only keeps you organized but also provides a sense of direction and purpose. These are mini goals that mark significant points along your journey. Each milestone represents a step closer to your ultimate goal. They serve as indicators of progress and help you stay focused. For instance, if you're working on a long-term project, reaching a milestone can give you a sense of accomplishment and motivate you to keep moving forward. It's like having a series of small victories that lead to the final triumph. For example, if your goal is to write a book, a milestone could be completing a certain number of chapters. Breaking down the writing process into smaller, more manageable tasks makes the goal of finishing the book seem less overwhelming. Each completed chapter is a step forward and a reason to celebrate. This method can be applied to any goal, whether it's personal, like learning a new skill, or professional, like completing a project at work, or receiving positive feedback from beta readers. Feedback is an essential part of the journey, as it provides valuable insights and helps you improve. Positive feedback in particular can be incredibly motivating. It reassures you that you're on the right track and that your efforts are being recognized. Constructive feedback, on the other hand, offers opportunities for growth and improvement. Both types of feedback are crucial for your development and progress. Remember to acknowledge and reward yourself for every milestone you achieve. Rewards can be a powerful motivator. They give you something to look forward to and make the journey more enjoyable. Whether it's a small treat, a break to do something you love, or simply taking a moment to appreciate your hard work, rewards reinforce the positive behavior of working towards your goals. They remind you that your efforts are worthwhile and that progress, no matter how small, deserves recognition. This reinforces positive behavior and keeps you motivated to keep pushing forward. The journey towards achieving your goals is a marathon, not a sprint. It's important to stay motivated and maintain a positive mindset. By tracking your progress, setting milestones, celebrating victories, and rewarding yourself, you create a sustainable path to success. Each step you take brings you closer to your ultimate goal, and every bit of progress is a reason to keep moving forward. So keep tracking, keep celebrating, and keep pushing towards your dreams. Staying motivated is crucial for achieving your goals. There will be times when you feel challenged, discouraged, or tempted to give up. That's when you need to dig deep and remind yourself why you started in the first place. Surround yourself with positive influences. Connect with supportive friends, family members, or mentors who believe in your vision. Visualize your success regularly, and don't be afraid to seek out inspiration from others who have achieved similar goals. Remember, consistency is key. Make working towards your goals a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Even small, consistent actions can lead to remarkable results over time.